Before we dive into today's EA, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are reviewing the Quantum Titan EA for MT5. This is a selective gold system from the Quantum series that emphasizes defined risks and no grid or martingale in its default setup. So let's break it down. Alright, so as you can see, it goes for 1,199.99 US dollars. And for expand this, you see that from the MKO5 page, Quantum Titan is presented as a precision-focused expert advisor developed exclusively for XAUUSD. It uses a selective trading architecture that continuously analyzes gold and waits for qualified conditions rather than remaining permanently in the markets. Every trade is managed independently and protected from the moment it is opened with a predefined stop loss. The developer states that the EA does not use a grid strategy and does not use martingale in its recommended default configuration. There is no continuous adding of positions against the market or unlimited recovery cycles. The system includes intelligent profit protection and the dynamic trailing stop. Some days may produce false trades, others may produce none. This selectivity is intentional. A substantial live account and limited worldwide licenses, 1,000 lifetime copies, are highlighted as part of the product's positioning. Alright, so the key features include selective entry logic for gold, predefined stop loss on every trade, independent position management, intelligent trailing and profit protection, multiple money management methods with 8 predefined automatic risk levels, maximum drawdown protection, plug and play defaults, and mandatory VPS recommendation for continuous operation. The minimum deposits is listed around $500, as you can see, with $1,000 or higher recommended. Hedging accounts and low spread ECN/raw brokers are preferred. Right, so we have all that here on the site. We also have some screenshots, as you can see, from the developer. Let's take a look. Okay, so you can see the developer claims that from 2020 to 2026, with very high risk level, there was over $30 million in profits. Let's take a look at some of the other screenshots. You can see the performance for an initial deposit of $10,000. You can see there was the total net profits of over $13 million. That's how it looks. You can see the equity curve as well. And all these were presented by the developer. But does it actually hold up when I put it through my own personal backtest? Let's quickly take a look. I was opportune to test out the EA using the given parameters. As you can see, I already have it installed. I use the XAUSD on the M15 time frame for a custom period of 1 year, ranging from the 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026. And for an initial deposit of $10,000, the equity curve shows steady controlled growth with net profits, as you can see in the results, around $5,800. The profit factor is 2.87 and recovery factor is strong at 12.79. The drawdown was 2.98%. However, the history quality is only 24%, which significantly reduces confidence in the modeling accuracy of the test. Low history quality means the results may not fully reflect tick behavior, spreads, or slippage. The selective design and fixed stop loss on every trade aim for disciplined risk control, which is consistent with the low drawdown shown. At the same time, the modest absolute profit over the tested period indicates the edge is not dramatic under the specific conditions used. The absence of grid and martingale in the default configuration is a clear strength for risk transparency. Independent trade management and drawdown protection add further structure. Still, gold remains volatile, and selective systems can experience quiet periods or sequences of stop-outs when conditions do not align. Honestly, the features that matter most are the risk level selection, the predefined stop loss, conservative money management, and continuous verification against live conditions. The limited license model and live account emphasis are marketing points that do not replace independent testing. As for the nuances, implications, and hidden risks, low history quality in testing is a material caveat. Selective systems can underperform or sit idle during unfavorable regimes. Spreads, slippage, and news gaps still affect results. In practice, start with the lowest risk level and a quality low spread broker and VPS, and treat the strong risk adjusted figures as conditional on high quality data and proper setup. Past results never guarantee future performance. So who is this actually for and who should avoid it? This suits experienced gold traders who value selective entries, defined risk per trade, and prefer systems without recovery methods. You probably avoid this if you want high trade frequency, multi-position approaches, or cannot accept periods of inactivity. Beginners should still approach carefully, given the modeling caveats on gold's volatility. Overall, Quantum Titan EA is a selective gold system with predefined stops, independent trade management, and no grid or martingale in its default configuration. The shared backtest shows controlled growth and low drawdown, but low history quality requires caution. Independent verification and conservative risks remain essential. Always trade with money you can afford to lose. Alright, if you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to cover next. Grab that free robot from the description too. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.